Boatworks today is sponsored by Total Boat and Alexial Yacht Coatings, as well as supported by the generosity from the beautiful folks over on Patreon. Thank you so much. So, welcome back to the shop, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend. My name is Andy with Boatworks today, and this week I want to go over a few things. First one being, I want to share some discount codes for the companies that I work with, namely Total Boat, Alexial, as well as Soft Sand, the non-skid particles. I also want to do a little bit of a shop update. As you can see, there's been some changes in here, and I'll get more into that detail a little bit later in the video. And then finally, I want to do a new channel, kind of a highlight or a spotlight. Joe's running a channel that I just recently became aware of, and the content, I think it's something that you're really going to like. No drama, no nonsense. It's just all boats, and like I said, I think it's the type of content that I think a lot of you are going to enjoy. So with that said, let's get started. So now I realize right now, for all of us up in the northern climates, we're just now heading into winter. So thinking about spring probably isn't on the front end of our radar. But when you think about it, right now is actually the best time to start making those plans for spring, and specifically getting your materials on hand. Now, when you're dealing with any company or that sells products that have a spring rush, what typically happens when everybody starts trying to get all those same products all at the same time? There's shortages. They are sold out. They're on back order. And come springtime, especially when you're looking to get your boat ready and ready to launch, you don't really have a whole lot of time to wait. So right now is the best time to get those materials on hand so that you have them when the weather breaks and you're able to start picking away on the boat. So the discount code for Total Boat, I believe they're actually running right now, I believe they're running free shipping as well. But the discount code is Boatworks22, and that'll get you 10% off all of the Total Boat branded products. So for example, all your epoxies, your polyester resins, your fairing compounds, your varnishes, your waxes, your boat soaps. Anything that's branded Total Boat, you can get 10% off on that. And like I said, right now, I believe they're also running free shipping. Any of those products that you order now, they're still gonna be fine for next spring, next summer, and even through next fall. So if you get that material in now before there's sellouts and shortages, back orders, that'll be a good thing. It'll just put you one step ahead of the game compared to probably your slip neighbor who might be waiting to get his products in hand. And then the next company that I have the discount code for is going to be for Soft Sand. Now this is a company I've talked about several times over the years, but they're a company that makes a rubberized non-skid additive or particles for when you're redoing the non-skid on your boat. And the discount code for them is also for 10% off, and the code itself is BWT10, and that'll get you 10% off on their order. Now, this particular product, I've used several different products over the years, and when it comes to doing non-skid, this is by far the one that I like the best. I mean, it's not even a close comparison to really anything else that I've worked with. Just the texture of it, the consistency of its application is simple. It looks, appearance-wise, it looks extremely consistent. And best of all, it is crazy easy to apply. So like I said, if you've got that kind of a project coming up where you're gonna be needing their non-skid, I highly recommend this company. And if you wanna save a few bucks on your order, use the discount code BWT10 for 10% off. Tell Van that I sent you. And the last code is going to be for Alexial. Now, this is kind of a tricky one because Alexial doesn't sell directly to the end consumer. They work through distributors. And this spring, I became a distributor for them. I actually have a brick and mortar here store in town, and where I stock all the products, do all the packing and shipping and all that stuff out of. Now, up to this point, I've only been selling their products through to the folks over on Patreon. For a couple of reasons, but I guess the primary one is that I wanted to make sure that I had my thumb on the actual shipping process. Because there are a lot of restrictions and regulations when you're shipping hazardous material. Now, so I've been doing that all summer long, and I finally got that all hammered down, and I'm very comfortable with that. It's, I can basically do it in my sleep now. But the thing is that now that I'm a distributor for them, I'm able to offer discounts. Yeah, that's not something that I really have seen anybody else do that markets their products, whether it's for Alexial or All Grip. Doesn't matter any of these major brands. You don't typically ever see any kind of discount codes for those types of products. Well, all along since day one, for the folks on Patreon, I've been giving them 10% off on their order from the price that I have it set at. And when you factor that in, that it does a couple of things. For one, it sets the actual sale price. I guess it's warming up outside, but it sets the actual end sale price far below anywhere that I've seen online, as well as it also helps to offset a lot of the shipping costs. It's not going to offset them 100%, but it does go a long way for for offsetting those hazardous shipping costs. Now, I am still going to keep that discount code private for the folks over on Patreon, but there is, not that I want to kind of talk people into playing the game here, but the way that I set it up is that for the folks that are at, say, $10 or more per month, they can get that 10% off. Now, when you think about it, even if you were to just jump on there for 1 month, you can spend $10, over on Patreon, but you can save over 100 or more. So either way, it's a good deal. And if you look at some of the higher levels, if you're going to be getting into a project using their material, there's also consultation services that come into that, come into play with that. So you can get either, monthly or weekly video chats or email support, whatever it may happen to be, on how to go through the process, as well as making sure you're selecting the correct materials. So if you've got a paint project coming up, I'm not saying you gotta sign up now and do it all winter, but something to keep in mind. If you're going to be ordering the material, that is a way for you to save 10% off on their purchase price. Which, let's just face it, any of those types of two-part painting systems, they're not cheap. So 10% adds up pretty quickly. So again, if that's something you're interested in and you have a project coming up where you'll be using it, check out my Patreon page. And then every month I change the discount code just to kind of keep things fresh, on the month to month. So, but if you head over there, just know that I will be offering, and this is a year-round thing. I'll be offering 10% off on all of the Alexial sales. And yeah, hopefully that will add up to a considerable amount of savings for you. So one more discount code, and I'm not quite sure why I didn't think about this one when I was going through and making my notes here, but I've had a lot of people comment over the past few weeks on the hat that I'm wearing. And stepping back a little bit, when I went to the Newport Boat Show, I put in a big order of a bunch of different hats, different baseball caps, as well as like winter hats, beanies, and scullies, that sort of thing. And I still have some left over, and I just recently got them up on my website. So if you're interested in any of these hats, I've got 3, 4, 5 different colors, as well as a couple of different colors in like winter stocking caps and scullies and stuff. So if you're interested in maybe a little stocking stuffer for yourself, or maybe you're boating enthusiast person, something like that, I can get you 10% off on that, as well as the shipping is included in that sale price. So if you go to my website, it's over on millerboatworks.com. Again, I'll have links to all this down below in the description. But the discount code is 10% for me. Again, 10% off on any of the hats. It's not going to apply to any of the other products that are like your Alexial products. That's a separate code. But it's for the merch only, and 10% off, and shipping is included. And yeah, let's see if we can move these out. Moving on. Now, as far as the shop update, progress in here has been a little slow, and that's mainly due to a couple of reasons. The first one being able to get the materials on hand, specifically the lighting. Now, for the lighting in here, I went with the same company that I used out in the main bay, which is American Green Lighting. And I placed the order a couple of months ago, and I just received everything here within the last week or so. I imagine they're probably running into supply issues as well. But regardless, whatever the issue was, everything finally came in. So now, before I can get the lighting up, I need to get the ceiling painted as well as the walls, so I can start running my electric. Now, I have had time to do this, but I haven't taken that time for basically one primary reason, which is I've been trying to really pamper my shoulders. Again, I'm not going to harp on this, but in case you weren't aware of, I jacked up both my shoulders, so really doing anything physical has been very difficult. And that's brought along, at least for me, some hurdles that I need to get over, mainly up in here. I'm not a person that likes to drag my feet on really anything. I thrive on having and seeing progress. And for the past few months, I've been really trying to take it easy, because anytime I did exert myself even a little bit, I paid for it dearly for several days, if not weeks. So I've been trying to kind of pamper myself a little bit, take it easy on my shoulders, hoping that there would be some improvement with them. and there hasn't been. So, I've got a couple things working against me here. The first one being, as far as making any progress here or doing any work on the boat, that's been frustrating, not being able to do that. And honestly, I think that's been my issue for a while now. Now, I don't know how many of you have, had to deal with like extended period of discomfort, but it wears you down. It wears on you. It changes kind of how you think and how you look at things. Because there are even things that come up that I know that I want to do. There are things that I know that I enjoy. After a while, you don't want to do it because you know how it's going to make you feel, and that brings in another level of frustration. So frustrating being you're just tired of being uncomfortable, but also frustrated because you're not making any progress with really anything, and that's not. I thrive on making progress and seeing things get completed. And of those two things, one of them, it's out of my control. And after 3+ months of trying to hope that this is all going to be getting better, and it's not. That's not something that I have any control over, at least right now. So no matter whether I'm pushing myself or I'm not, I'm still going to be uncomfortable. So that is what it is. There's nothing I can do about that. But what I do have control over is being able to make some progress, even if it's going to be baby steps. I mean, something is better than nothing. So I've gotten started in here. It took me 2 days to get this ceiling painted. Now it's only been one coat and I'm still not finished. I got a little corner over there. I've already run out. But I need to have this space finished. Because another thing is I'm a very somewhat OCD person. I need organization. And right now, until this space is finished, my main shop is just a hot mess. So I need to get this space finished so that it's functional. I can get all the clutter that's out there brought in here. I can get things organized so that when I jump back up on the boat, I'm not looking around walking in circles for 15, 20, 30 minutes trying to figure out where the hell I put this thing or that thing. It'll make things, at least up here, it'll take kind of the stress level of having to come up and work on these projects. It'll take it down a few notches. And as far as how fast progress is going to be made, when I jump back up on the boat, I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to do something that's going to intentionally set me way back physically, but I am going to push myself, even if it's baby steps. Like I said, some progress is better than no progress. So right now, my goal between now and Christmas, I want to get the ceiling. The ceiling's about done. I want to get the lights up. I want to get all the electric run, get all the tools in here, figure out the layout that's going to happen in here, and just kind of do a major cleanup, a major organization in this whole building. And like I said, the goal is to have all of that wrapped up before Christmas. So we shall see. We shall see. Boat projects are coming. Like I said, I don't know how quickly progress is going to be made, but I'm gonna do what I can. As far as being able to have any major progress done with my shoulders, I'm still fighting with the insurance company on being able to get an MRI. Now, I know for 100% absolute certainty that my right shoulder now is torn. I've known that since day one because my left shoulder has been torn for over a year. I know what it feels like. So, but I've been fighting with the insurance company on just being able to get approval to get an MRI. Anything that we submit to them, they just flat out refuse to approve it. And the insurance company that we have here, there's only one game in town in the whole state of Michigan. And they have just been very uncooperative, and which is frustrating. So something's going to have to get done, whether I end up going to see my dad over in Wisconsin and I happen to have a lucky fall and by chance have to go to the emergency room there in Ashland. I'm not saying it's going to be planned, but I'm not saying it's out of the possibility. I mean, it is winter here. I mean, it's icy, right? But somewhat joking aside, I'm gonna try and kick the can until spring, because right now, last thing I want to do is have surgery on my shoulders, if I can even get that approved. But the last thing I want to do is have surgery on my shoulder in the wintertime, slip and fall. That's next levels. You're screwed up if you do that shortly after surgery. Now, I'd rather wait until spring when the snow is gone, and then kind of deal with it then. At least then I don't have to deal with slipping. So that's kind of the overall plan, but we'll see. First things first, I still got to get the stupid MRI. So Blue Cross Blue Shield, get off your ass and approve this, all right? So anywho, I want to end this on a more positive note. Now, when I started this, I mentioned there was a new channel that I came across that I wanted to kind of put a spotlight on that I think a lot of you will enjoy. It's Joel over at Motor City Boatworks. It's WERKS for the Boatworks. I believe he's located down around the Detroit, Michigan area. But I just recently came across him and I really enjoyed it. He's just a no-nonsense, kind of no-drama kind of guy. He's picking away on his boat, having fun with it, and you can tell in his presentation that he's having fun with this, and it's just enjoyable to watch. And I think a lot of you would enjoy watching that as well. So I'll have a link to his channel down below in the description, and go ahead and check it out. You know, right now I think he's relatively new. I want to say he started his channel a few months ago, 3, 4, maybe even 5 months ago, and he's sitting right around that 350 subs, give or take. And what I'd like to do is, put a little bit of a spotlight on him, just because I enjoyed it, and thinking that a lot of you will as well. Head over there and give him a sub, and let's see if we can grow his channel to over 1,000 before Christmas. And if you do, leave a little comment on his video saying that I sent you, because that's how these channels grow. Now I've been doing this for, I think it's 11 years now, and it's been a fun ride. This is a lot of fun doing this. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun and it's very rewarding. So this is something I want him to be able to stick with, and unless there's some good positive momentum there. I've seen a lot of channels where it's pretty easy for them to kind of burn out. I don't think he's that kind of guy, but either way, getting some positive reinforcement is always a bad thing. So again, link for his channel down below in the description. Head over there, give him a sub, give him a like, and let's see if we can get him over that 1,000 before Christmas. And on that note, I'm going to wrap this up because I need to run in town and grab some paint so that I'm able to keep on picking away at this over the weekend. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Use those discount codes, and if you do, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you in advance. I really appreciate that. If you have any questions, comments, please leave those down below. I will do my best to follow up with you. And as always, I want to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. I promise.
This has been a Boatworks Today production.